Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move a folder from your PC to OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate the Microsoft OneDrive app on the bottom right of your taskbar within your system tray. You'll see the OneDrive cloud icon sitting there among your other system icons. Go ahead and click on it to open your OneDrive. Once you click, a small OneDrive window will appear on your screen, giving you quick access to your OneDrive settings and options. Now, moving a folder from your PC to OneDrive is actually pretty straightforward. Look at the bottom left part of your OneDrive window, and you'll see an option labeled Open Folder. Click on this option, and it will immediately open your OneDrive folder directly in your File Explorer. This is your local OneDrive folder on your computer, which automatically syncs with your OneDrive cloud storage. From here, the process becomes simple. You can now move any folder you wish to add to OneDrive into this folder. Just drag and drop the folder from its current location on your PC into the OneDrive folder you just opened, or you can copy and paste it there if you prefer. As soon as you add the folder, you'll notice a syncing progress indicator appears. This shows that OneDrive is actively uploading your folder to the cloud. Wait until the syncing process finishes completely. Depending on the size of your folder and your internet connection speed, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Once the sync is complete, you'll now be able to access this newly added folder on your OneDrive cloud from any device. This means you can view and work with your files from your phone, tablet, or any other computer where you're signed into your Microsoft account. And that's it. You've successfully moved your folder from your PC to OneDrive, making it accessible from anywhere and ensuring it's backed up in the cloud. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.